This is Lumesh bringing you the latest in product news. Kris Jenner and Chrissy Teigen have a new brand coming out called Safely. Safely is a plant-based cleaning product with 6 SKUs. Hand wash, hand lotion, hand sanitizer, a universal cleaning product, I guess they mean multi-purpose product, laundry detergent, and glass cleaner. The products range from $6 to $14, and you can get it at getsafely.com. Kris Jenner says doing this with Chrissy was because they'd been cleaning like crazy all through COVID, as we all did. She goes on to say she got a new appreciation for wanting some cleaning products that didn't have things like parabens, sulfates, dyes, ammonia, and put an emphasis on the smell. They wanted a little jingle to launch the product, and naturally, no pun intended, John Legend came to save the day. Check it out here. I smell another tactic of where celebrities use their influence to jump on the bandwagon of making products for profit without actually fully being responsible for what goes into the brand. If they did, they would have known that by creating a brand based on natural, that they're doing an injustice to the earth. Plant sourcing is unsustainable because it depletes the soil, which can't be used for many years. We can barely grow crops and plants on this earth to feed ourselves, and we already have a shortage in food supply and an ever-growing population that's only getting worse. The cosmetic industry has done some real damage in this department, and now Kris Jenner and Chrissy Teigen think it's a great idea to add to the problem. From the sounds of it, they've had to have added some kind of natural fragrance. As a matter of fact, they did say they put an emphasis on it. If celebrities and influencers want to put their names behind a brand, I believe that that person should be the creative director and not hire a team. Because if they would have done the legwork themselves, they should have known that over-harvesting essential oils can put a plant on the endangered list and eventually even extinct. The other problem is the short supply of water. You need water to feed the plants and wash them after. And how about the energy, oil, and gas that is needed to run the machinery and for transportation? Doesn't sound like somebody's really concerned about the environment to me. Sounds like an opportunity for profit, as if they need any more fucking money. I'm really tired of people supporting influencers and celebrities that are not truly doing the legwork, nor have a second thought about your well-being. It's all about me, me, me. And you guys keep buying their shit where there are true entrepreneurs out there that deserve your hard-earned money. Social media has influencers and celebrities selling you shit for their own benefit. It's okay to promote for profit, but have integrity. The moral of the story is natural products are detrimental to the environment and are not the best. Safely products don't have parabens. Meanwhile, parabens have never been concluded to be linked to cancer and is the safest preservative for people with sensitive skin and has the longest safety data available. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please follow for more product news and leave me some of your comments below letting me know your thoughts. The contents for my video were gathered from ongoing research and chemists that share their information publicly. I'm just an advocate for consumers and a promoter for companies and entrepreneurs who are working their asses off to bring you exceptional products backed by science, knowledge, and the time they put into it to bring it to you. If you don't follow Lumesh TV or Buenos Finds by now, make sure you do to make smarter choices on supporting those who are making a wellness and sustainable impact for you and the environment. Thanks, guys.